Tracking mild temperatures once again this evening as we fall back down into the 70s. We'll have mostly clear skies early on with a few more clouds towards tomorrow morning, as I will be tracking a chance for some scattered showers during the day. As we approach noon, we're still in the upper 80s, and with some of those storms and clouds around, that's where we're going to top out for tomorrow. In the upper 80s and that humidity, keeping the heat index in the mid 90s. I am tracking a cold front off to our northwest, and that'll send a complex of storms across parts of Nebraska and Kansas late tonight into tomorrow. Some of those storms, at least the leading edge of that, could make it into our western counties into early tomorrow morning. As that front slides off to the south, we could see some more storms developing towards afternoon, but we're still staying hot. Most of us will make it to the upper 80s despite the cloud cover and that chance for some storms. We could have a couple more on Friday, becoming a little bit more scattered towards evening, and potentially another round going into Saturday morning, but the main threat for anything stronger would likely be tomorrow. We could see some areas that have some gusty winds and some of the storms. It's a marginal threat, so I'm not expecting widespread coverage of severe weather, just something to keep an eye on as those storms move through our area. Over the weekend, it's going to be a little bit hotter on Saturday with 90s for highs. By Sunday, temperatures start to cool down a little bit behind a front that'll be moving through, and that should lower our humidity too, so it'll finally feel a little bit more comfortable. Here's our 7-day forecast. It stays hot through the next several days, even though we will have that chance for some rain. Cooler days coming for Sunday and Monday, but next week it gets even hotter as highs rise into the mid 90s by Wednesday.